Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, the channel where real classic motorcycles meet real prices. Today, we're diving into 10 vintage bikes currently for sale across the US. Let's get straight into the listings. Number 1. 1985 Harley-Davidson FXWG Springer, $10,900, Arlington, Texas. This 1985 Harley-Davidson FXWG is a strong example of an Evolution-era custom that still holds on to its original character. Showing just over 14,200 miles, this bike features a Springer front end, drag bars, custom exhaust, and classic 80-spoke wheels that give it a proper old-school stance. Power comes from the reliable Evolution motor, paired with both kickstart and electric start, a combination many Harley enthusiasts look for. The bike runs clean with no leaks reported, and the gas tank retains its original paint, which is becoming increasingly rare on mid-80s Harleys. With an S&S carburetor, King and Queen seat, and a clean Texas title in the seller's name, this FXWG sits in a sweet spot between rider-ready and collectible. At just under 11 grand, it reflects current market demand for authentic Evo customs that are ready to ride without major mechanical needs. Number 2. 1976 Kawasaki KZ900, $4,800, Houston, Texas. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ900 represents one of the most important muscle bikes of the 1970s. Known for its powerful inline-4 engine and solid chassis, the KZ900 helped define Japanese performance in the pre-superbike era. This particular example stands out due to extensive recent mechanical servicing. The bike features rebuilt and synchronized Mikuni carbs, refreshed front and rear brake systems, new tires and tubes, a coated fuel tank, and a new dry cell battery. While the side covers still need paint, new emblems are included, making cosmetic completion straightforward. With a clean Texas title and substantial maintenance already completed, this KZ900 Ltd offers strong value for riders looking for a classic Japanese performance bike that doesn't require immediate mechanical work. Number 3. 1974 Norton Commando 850 Project, $3,000, Sand Springs, Oklahoma. This 1974 Norton Commando 850 is a true project bike with solid fundamentals. The engine and drivetrain remain unmodified, turning over freely with good compression, and the odometer shows just under 13,000 miles. While incomplete, the bike comes with a substantial collection of spare parts, including isolastics, carb components, coils, and an extra fork set configured for the twin leading shoe front brake. The fiberglass tank and side covers are present, but require mounting hardware, paint, and finishing. Wiring, controls, and lighting will need replacement, making this a hands-on restoration opportunity. At $3,000, this Commando is priced as a foundation rather than a finished machine, appealing to experienced builders who want an honest British classic with known needs and strong long-term value potential. Number 4. 1973 Suzuki GT750 Water Buffalo Project, $2,200, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. The 1973 Suzuki GT750 is famous as the first water-cooled Japanese two-stroke motorcycle, earning nicknames like Water Buffalo and Kettle. This particular bike is a full restoration project with a stuck engine and no title, though a notarized bill of sale is provided. While not rideable in its current state, the GT750 remains highly desirable due to its engineering significance and cult following. Restoration costs should be carefully considered, but for collectors and two-stroke enthusiasts, this model represents a landmark moment in motorcycle history. At $2,200, it offers an affordable entry point into one of Suzuki's most iconic platforms, best suited for buyers with restoration experience or access to specialized parts. Number 5. 1992 BMW R100R, $4,500, Sullivan, Missouri. The 1992 BMW R100R is one of the final air-cooled boxer twins, combining classic BMW engineering with more modern handling features. This example shows just over 24,000 miles and is finished in the distinctive purple haze color over a silver frame. It shares its chassis design with the R100 GS, including the paralever rear suspension, which reduces driveline wear and improves ride stability. Recent maintenance includes fluids, brakes, carb adjustments, and a fresh battery. The bike also features factory crash bars, an oil cooler, tubeless wire wheels, and a Corbin seat keyed to the ignition. With luggage included and everything reported to function properly, this R100R is a strong, all-around classic that balances reliability, comfort, and long-distance usability. Number 6. 1971 Honda CB750 Original Paint, $8,800, Arlington, Texas. This 1971 Honda CB750 remains largely original, including its factory gold paint and period-correct exhaust. With just over 10,000 miles showing, it represents one of the most influential motorcycles ever built, the model that reshaped the global motorcycle market. The bike runs but requires attention to the front brake system, including a new brake line and caliper service. Original parts are included, which adds value for collectors. While priced higher than rider-grade examples, originality carries a premium in the CB750 market. This bike is best suited for enthusiasts who appreciate factory-correct machines and are willing to complete minor mechanical updates to preserve authenticity. Number 7. 1974 Bultaco Sherpa T250, $3,995, West Point, Texas. The Bultaco Sherpa T250 is a legendary name in vintage trials competition, and this example remains both functional and visually appealing. It's not a showpiece, but a well-used and well-maintained machine with upgraded rear suspension, fresh ignition components, and brand-new OEM fenders. Starting easily and operating better than it did when new, this Sherpa is ready for vintage trials events or light off-road riding. The well-earned patina reflects its competition history without compromising mechanical integrity. For under $4,000, it offers an authentic riding experience rooted in European trials heritage. Number 8. 1981 Yamaha XS400 Heritage Special, $1,800, Denton, Texas. This 1981 Yamaha XS400 Heritage Special blends lightweight handling with simple, reliable engineering. The bike features cosmetic and functional updates, including a new exhaust, custom lighting, cleaned and rejetted carburetors, and a modified airbox. It runs on a bill of sale, which is an important consideration for buyers depending on state regulations. As a smaller displacement classic, the XS400 is approachable for newer riders or those looking for an inexpensive vintage platform. At $1,800, it sits firmly in the budget category, while still offering character, customization potential, and everyday usability. Number 9. 1972 BSA B50T, $2,900, Lavon, Texas. The 1972 BSA B50T is a big single-cylinder British trail bike with a strong following. This example has been sitting for years and kicks over, with most major components reportedly present, including airbox, exhaust, and original bodywork. The paint appears original, and the fenders are in good condition. While not currently running, the B50T's simplicity makes it an appealing restoration candidate. These bikes are increasingly sought after due to their torque-rich engines and classic scrambler styling. At under $3,000, it's positioned as a revival project rather than a turnkey rider. Number 10. 1979 Harley-Davidson FXEF Shovelhead, $5,800, Arnold, Missouri. Closing out the list is this 1979 Harley-Davidson FXEF Shovelhead, equipped with a Super E carb, Dyna ignition, and brand new tires. Showing approximately 30,000 miles, this bike represents one of the final years of the Shovelhead era, making it historically significant and mechanically familiar to many Harley builders. The FXEF is known for its performance-oriented styling and lighter feel compared to full-dress Harleys of the time. At $5,800 or best offer, this example is priced as a solid rider with room for personalization, appealing to those who want an authentic shovelhead experience without entering high-dollar collector territory. Those are 10 classic motorcycles for sale right now across the U.S. If you enjoy real listings, real prices, and honest market insight, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer, and we'll see you in the next one.